Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Tenable.io scan failure notifications, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Tenable.io account. Navigate to the main dashboard upon logging in. Locate the Scans tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Scans tab to access the Scan Management section. Identify the scan for which you want to receive failure notifications. Click on the scan name to open its details. Once in the scan details, look for the Settings tab. Click on the Settings tab to view various configuration options. Scroll down to the Notifications section within the settings. In the Notifications section, find the option for Scan Failure Notifications. Check the box next to Notify on scan failure. Next, select the recipients for these notifications. You can either enter email addresses manually or choose from existing users. Ensure that the email addresses are accurate to receive notifications. After entering the recipients, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page. Click on the Save button to apply your changes. You will see a confirmation message indicating your settings have been updated. Now you should be set to receive notifications for any scan failures. That's it. You have successfully configured scan failure notifications on Tenable.io. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.